I have something urgent to tell you. Something that will decide how the rest of your week looks. Listen closely, my child. Do not tell yourself you will come back later. Later may not come for this message. I know what you have been thinking. You woke up on Monday with hope. You told yourself this week will be different. But now you are here. It is Wednesday or Thursday, maybe Friday, and nothing has changed. You said to yourself, I ruined this week already. I heard you say that. I know the heaviness in your chest right now. The weight of another wasted day. Another morning where you felt stuck before your feet even touched the floor. Another night where you cried alone. Do not scroll away. Stay with me. Your blessing is in the staying.
I saw you try this week. I saw you wake up early. I saw you pray a short prayer. I saw you open your Bible for 3 minutes. And then life hit you. The phone rang. The bill arrived. The argument started. The anxiety came back. And you gave up. Not because you are weak, because the battle has been harder than anyone knows. You have been fighting alone, and the enemy has been stealing your days one by one. Do you remember Monday morning? I do. I was there. I saw every single minute. I know how many times you almost gave up. I know the thoughts that whispered, nothing will change. I saw the tears you cried last night, the ones no one knew about, the pillow that caught your sadness. I saw you fall asleep with the TV on because the silence was too loud. I know the loneliness that follows you, the feeling that no one really understands what you are carrying, the weight of pretending to be fine when you are falling apart. But I understand. I created you. I know every thought before you think it. I know every fear before it touches your heart. Stay with me. I am not done speaking. Type in the comments, God is my safe refuge. Let me see your faith. Let the enemy hear your declaration. You are not alone. You are not forgotten, and this week is not wasted. I never left you. Not once. Even when you ignored my voice, even when you scrolled past other messages, even when you acted like I did not exist, I stayed right there. I was standing at the foot of your bed when you cried yourself to sleep. I was sitting in the empty chair at your kitchen table when you ate alone. I was in the car with you when the tears made it hard to see the road. Do you think I did not see? Do you think I did not hear? I saw every time you almost gave up. I saw every time you whispered, I cannot do this anymore. I saw every time you wanted to pray but did not know the words. And I stayed. I am still here, right now, in this moment, watching you read these words, waiting for you to finally stop running from me. You do not need to run anymore. I am not angry. I am not disappointed. I am not holding your past against you. I am your father, and fathers do not abandon their children. The enemy wants you to believe that this week is over, that you already lost, that there is no point in trying again. That is a lie. That is his favorite weapon. He steals your today by making you mourn your yesterday. He shows you your past and calls it your future. He whispers, "Look at what you did. Look at where you are. Nothing will ever change." Those thoughts are not from me. I never said you were finished. I never said you were worthless. I never said I was done with you. You said those things to yourself, and you believed the liar. But I am louder than his screams. I am stronger than his lies. I am the truth. And the truth is this: there is no deadline on my grace. The door is still open. Do not close it. I am still here. I have always been here. Do you remember the verse I promised you? Joel 2:25. I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten. That is not just for years. That is for weeks, for days, for hours. The locusts ate your Monday. They ate your Tuesday. They ate your peace, your motivation, your hope for this week. But I can give them back, starting now, starting right here in this message. Something is breaking right now. Do you feel it? The chains are loosening. The door is opening. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. I saw the tears you cried last night, the ones no one knew about. I saw you fall asleep exhausted and wake up still tired. I know the weight you carry. It feels like a mountain on your chest. Every morning you wake up and feel nothing but shame. You look in the mirror and see someone you think I could never love. That is a lie. I have always loved you, and I am about to prove it. But listen to me carefully. This is serious. If you turn away now, you will miss it. If you scroll away now, you will spend the rest of this week walking in circles. If you close this video now, you will look back in 7 days and remember this exact moment, and you will weep. You will weep because you knew I was speaking. You knew this was real, and you still walked away. I have seen people lose their breakthrough because they scrolled away. They were 1 minute from their miracle, 1 sentence from their healing, and they left. Do not be that person. Stay a little longer. Keep listening. I have more to say. The enemy wants you to leave. He is trembling right now because he knows what I am about to do in your life. That is why he has been attacking your mind. That is why you feel restless. That is why you want to scroll. Fight it. Stay with me. I need you here. I am about to speak blessings over you. Not small ones, not temporary ones. Listen to every word. Do not let one fall to the ground. Provision for your finances. I saw the bill you cannot pay. I saw the stress in your eyes when you checked your bank account. The money is coming, not from where you expect, from a door I am opening. Watch for something unexpected this week. Healing in your body, that pain in your lower back that has stolen your sleep for months, I am touching it right now. That headache that comes every afternoon, it is leaving. That fatigue that makes you feel like you are 60 when you are 35, I am putting strength back into your bones. You will wake up one morning soon and realize it is gone. Broken chains, the addiction you have been hiding, the one you thought no one knew about. I know. I saw you struggle. I saw you cry afterward, and I am breaking that chain right now. When you close this video, the craving will be weaker. The desire will lose its power. You are not alone in that fight anymore. Peace in your mind, the racing thoughts, the anxiety that wakes you up at 3 a.m., the worry that never stops, I am replacing it with my peace. Not the world's peace, my peace. The kind that doesn't make sense, the kind that stays even when everything is falling apart. Restored relationships. The person you stopped talking to, the marriage that feels like a battlefield, the child who walked away. I am softening hearts. I am opening doors for forgiveness. Do not force it. Do not beg. I will move first. You just stay close to me. Doors opening. The job you applied for, the opportunity you thought was dead, the dream you buried last year. I am reopening doors. Not all of them, only the ones I have prepared for you. Watch for a door that looks small. That is the one. Do not walk past it. Joy replacing sorrow. The tears you have cried every night for the past months, I am collecting them, and I am giving you joy in return. Not fake joy, real joy. The kind that makes you laugh again. The kind that surprises you in the middle of a hard day. Purpose revealed. You have been asking, why am I here? I am about to show you. Not in a loud voice, in a quiet moment. A thought that will not leave. A person who crosses your path. A scripture that jumps off the page. Your purpose is not lost. It is just waiting for you to stop running. Protection over your home. Angels are being assigned to your door right now. Accidents that were coming, diverted. Dangers you never even saw, blocked. Your family is covered. Your home is covered. Your mind is covered. Guidance for your future. You do not know what to do next. You feel stuck, confused, paralyzed by all the options. I am going to make the next step so clear that you cannot miss it. You will not see the whole road, but you will see the next footstep. That is enough. I am not touching one part of your life. I am touching every part. Spirit, mind, body, relationships, finances, future, family, health, purpose, peace. Everything is being made new. Do you believe this? Do you trust me? Stay with me just a little longer. Your blessing is in the staying. Subscribe to this channel right now. Do it while your heart is open. Do not say later. Do it now. This is how I will remind you when I speak again. Type in the comments, I am staying with you, Jesus. Let me see your faith. Let the enemy hear your declaration. Write it with your own fingers. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Someone who feels like their week is wasted. Someone who is about to give up. Send it to them. You might be the reason they stay. Do not walk away from your breakthrough. You are so close. The door is open. Do not close it. I never left you. I never will. The locusts have eaten enough. No more. Starting now, starting this minute, I am giving you back your week. I love you. Do not forget that. Now go. Your breakthrough
is waiting.